we're gonna take a look on how to add your own sounds to your Discord server soundboard. Alright, so let's get started. First, we want to head to Discord server. In our case, this one will be our example. Once you're in your server, go ahead and go to the top left where it says your server name and an arrow with it. Go ahead and click on it and click on server settings. In this section, go ahead and click and find soundboard right here, as so. In this section, once you click on soundboard, go ahead and upload your file here with the upload sound right here. And by the way, as you can see, there's a lot of uploaded sounds already by my friend here. But let's go ahead and upload our own. Go ahead and click on upload sound, click browse, and locate your sound effects for your soundboard. As for example, let's go ahead and try Riz right here. Click open. Once done, by the way, just a quick tip. You cannot get any soundboard more than 5 seconds, and it should be less than 5 seconds. Alright, so that's out of the way. Go ahead and find a sound name for your sound. As for example, let's go ahead and click on or type in Riz. And the emoji is really optional, but since it's a Riz, let's put a heart right over here. Then click upload. Alright, so it says sound uploaded right there. Let's go ahead and exit out and try the sounds. Go ahead and join a voice channel right over here. And in the voice channel options, you should be able to see the open soundboard right over here. Click on soundboard. And there is the one that we added earlier should be here. Let's go ahead and click on it. There you go, and it should be working. And also, just very optional, if you don't want to go ahead and go to the settings all over again, you can go ahead and just click on add sound here, and it will redirect you to upload the sounds. But that's basically it for this video, guys. If this video helped you, please leave a like on this video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.